When dealing with hooded eyes, sometimes focusing solely on winged eyeliner might not be the most flattering or effective technique. Here are some alternative makeup techniques that can enhance hooded eyes. Soft smoky eye. Instead of a harsh wing, opt for a soft smoky eye. Use matte eyeshadows in neutral tones to create depth and dimension on the eyelid. Blend the eyeshadows upwards towards the brow bone to lift and open up the eyes. Tight lining. Tight lining involves applying eyeliner to the upper waterline, the area between your eyelashes. This technique helps define the eyes without closing them off or emphasizing hooded lids excessively. Focus on the lower lash line. Instead of emphasizing the upper lash line with winged eyeliner, focus on defining the lower lash line. Apply eyeliner or eyeshadow along the lower lash line to draw attention downwards and balance the eye shape. Highlight the inner corner. Use a brightening eyeshadow or highlighter in the inner corner of the eyes. This technique helps to create the illusion of larger, more awake eyes, counteracting the hooded appearance. Cut crease technique. Create a cut crease with eyeshadow to define the eyelid space more clearly. This technique involves using a light concealer or eyeshadow base to carve out a defined crease line above the natural crease, which can make the hooded lid appear more prominent. Lash emphasis. Emphasize your lashes with mascara or false lashes. Well-defined lashes can draw attention away from the hooded lid and create a focal point on your eyes. Experiment with different eyeliner styles. Instead of a traditional wing, try experimenting with different eyeliner styles such as a smudged liner, a graphic liner along the upper lash line, or a kitten flick that doesn't extend too far outwards. Use of shimmer. Incorporate shimmer or light-reflecting eyeshadows on the eyelid to catch light and make the eyes appear larger and more open. Avoid placing shimmer directly on the hooded part of the lid to prevent emphasizing it. Blend strategically. Pay attention to blending techniques. Blend eyeshadows and liners carefully to avoid harsh lines that can make hooded eyes appear smaller or more closed off. By focusing on these alternative techniques, you can enhance hooded eyes in a way that flatters their unique shape and structure, rather than relying solely on winged eyeliner, which may not always be the most flattering option for this eye shape.